Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day. So today I'm going to try and cook some beef burgers, use some onion, in the style of Pete's Hamburgers from Wisconsin in America. The hamburger stand has been run by the same family since 1909. And yeah, I'm going to try and cook some hamburgers, or beef burgers, in water. Never done that before, so that'll be something new for me. I've just got a whole onion there. I thought I was gonna stick that in there, but maybe I'm not. Well, that's good, isn't it? So maybe I'm just gonna chop that in half. And yeah, I'm gonna chop up some onions, really small. I'll try to anyway. It's about as small as I can get. So yeah, it's going to be quite oniony, I would say. Right, let's move you over there. There's some water in there. Chuck the onions in there. And see how that goes. Put some onions on like a grill. And just let them cook. And puts his hamburgers in. And just boils them. I mean, seems pretty simple, doesn't it? But it's supposed to be an amazing taste, so we'll find it out soon. Right, so I'm going to get the burgers in there, and can't say I've ever done that before. So I presume it's going to take on all that rich flavour from the onions. It looks like it's starting to change colour straight away. Timer on this, I think. I'm going to just cook it for, I don't know, 10 minutes or something in the boiling water. See how we get on. Let us know in the comments, people, if you've tried burgers like this before. Can't say I have, but first time for everything, eh? I haven't tried a Juicy Lucy burger before, but I've done that. There's definitely an aroma in the kitchen. Better open the door, otherwise the wife's going to be telling me off. I did notice that when he makes them, he doesn't put any butter or anything inside the roll. It's just the juices from the onions and the burgers. But yeah, he definitely does. He lightly slices them, lightly slices the onion, which is great because they break down quicker, don't they? Tomato sauce. And that's for the other one. I felt I'd have a bit of Branston pickle with it, to be honest. Bit of Branston pickle with small chunks. So that's it, nearly been in there for 10 minutes. There we go. I think I might just chop a bit off of one and see how cooked it is. Stop that. Temperature gauging it, I think. See what we're rocking. Yeah, I think it might be there. Oh, gotta stop splashing out of there, haven't I? Right. Put some of them juices. Yowzers. Let's see if we can get it somewhere where you can see. Right, I'm just going to get some more onions on there. ketchup on there. Let's get a lid on it. Well, okay. I'll stick a knife through it and see what it looks like. See if we're cooked or not. I think we're just about cooked. It's pretty good to me. Right. I'm going to have one like that. I'm going to have the other one. Same sort of style. Just going to drain a bit of that water away from that onion. No holding back on the onions there. Plenty of onions in there. This one I'm going to have a dollop of bit of Branston pickle. There we go. Right, cool. What's it taste like? That's a tasty burger. If you can't tell, I'm thoroughly enjoying this burger. Melts in your mouth. I love the taste of the onions in the roll. If anything, I would probably drain a bit of the water off the burger next time. Or crisp it up. Excuse me while I stuff my face. Love that. So easy. Can't go wrong with it really, can you? There you go, bit of Branston, bit of onion, bit of burger. I can see why it's packed every day there. So, thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you tomorrow. See you later everyone, bye bye.